Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best substitute for parchment paper available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion. If you love to cook at home, it's almost a given that you have been introduced to parchment paper and love it too. But what about those days when you run out of your beloved parchment paper, and you have no time to run to the store? Or you simply haven't been introduced to the wonders of parchment paper, yet find you need it for some new baking project? When the unthinkable happens, why not try using one of these alternatives? Number 1. Reynolds Aluminum Foil. Trusted for over 70 years, Reynolds Wrap Aluminum Foil saves time with cooking and cleanup. This versatile aluminum foil is great for lining pans, covering dishes, and cooking your favorite meals. This aluminum foil wrap is a time-tested tool that's perfect for lining your baking sheets for baked goods or hot appetizers. Resistant to moisture and light, Reynolds Wrap Aluminum Foil protects your leftover main dishes, sides and desserts to make the food last longer. Number 2. Waxtex Wax Paper Roll. Use in microwave ovens to prevent splatters without melting into container, or use to wrap food. Wrap sandwiches, desserts, popcorn balls and caramels. Allow your dipped chocolates and candies to cool on this non-stick surface. Number 3. Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. Silpat products never need greasing and replace parchment paper. Using Silpat products saves time, money and reduces waste in our environment. Made of fiberglass mesh and the highest quality food-grade silicone, which provides consistent heat distribution and promotes even baking and browning. Silpat products are great for working with sticky materials such as gooey batter, taffy, caramel, doughs and anything your imagination allows. Nothing sticks to Silpat. Number 4. White Food Grease Resistant Wrap Paper. Versatile and stylish, these food-safe tissue liners can be used in a number of applications from sandwich wraps to tray and basket liners. You can use classic white for a crisp look, rustic brown for a down-home style, or add a splash of color with blue and white or orange and white checkers. Newsprint style with mock pages covering sports or the front page of a New York, Paris, London, Dublin or Honolulu paper.